What's up, investors? My name is Artem Dikarev, and in a couple of minutes you will know what is economy. I will first give you a professional definition and then I will explain it as easy as I can with examples. And if you want to learn personal finances and investing by watching such short videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video to show the support for the young creator. Many more videos are coming. Thank you so much, and let's get straight to the point. Alright, so the economy is a system of organizations, institutions and individuals that produce and distribute resources, goods and services within a society. Economy also determines the way these resources are distributed, as well as value and prices for the goods and services. And here is an example. Imagine economy as an invisible mechanism where every individual part and gear needs to function properly in order for the whole machine to run smoothly. And such key parts inside this machine are government, banks, businesses and people. And the way these parts interact with each other is by buying and selling from each other, borrowing and investing money, collecting taxes and providing services in return, and even interacting with another countries. And the purpose of the economy is to maintain the smooth operation of this invisible mechanism by distributing and allocating resources appropriately. And if you still have questions after watching this video, feel free to leave a comment and I'll personally reply to you. Check my other videos to see if there's anything else you want to learn about personal finances and investments. Thank you all so much for spending this couple of minutes with me. I really hope that there was something new that you learned today and it was straight to the point.